number of my friends that are using these Heltec boards and similar boards ask about the Wi-Fi mod, basically, and I thought I'd sort of got a bit of time, I'll sit and have a bash at one on camera. I don't do normally the finest work on camera, but we're going to have a go at it anyway, see if we can dislodge this and get it off and pop another one on. Do remember, if you're working with these boards, do get the kind of lead-free solder, because generally the ones that are coming in are the modern solder, and the two don't really like to mix, the old stuff and the new stuff, so there can be a problem. One of my friends says you can do it with a lot of flux, but I'm trying to do it without as much mess as possible, or as little mess as possible. So see if we can have a go at this and get it warmed up and take it out if we can. That's quite easy on that one, and there they are. They're only a tiny little spring, is what they are. Tiny. Still a bit warm on my skin there, even with that tiny amount of touching. Yes, indeed. Just going to pop a little blob extra of solder on there while it's still relatively warm. Once I get it to melt again, checking. Tiny little bit of soldering onto the screen there, but we'll soon sort that out. I've angled the wire slightly on this, try and get it in a little bit. You're trying to focus it there while I'm not really in line with the camera, so there you go. I've angled it a little bit. Pretty much gone straight in, and pretty much that's it. Give it a moment to cool off, and rather than stand this one up straight, I'm going to just turn it slightly into the case, so it will fit back in the case, but still gives a better signal than the little twisted Wi-Fi spring antennas that they've actually put in these already. Once I'd done the little bit of soldering mod there, just linked it back up to the board itself, checked everything was working, which it obviously is, and got a further Wi-Fi range as well now. So I went out onto the sort of landing spare bedroom to set this up. I had to wander back in when I got the pairing numbers, but it did work, so yep, not a problem at all. The range is a little bit, well, a fair bit longer, and you can go downstairs now and still reach this unit from up on the landing, or in my spare room where my shack is. So yeah, quite a handy little mod if you're able to do it, or you want to have a go at it. It's not too much of a mod, but do be careful, don't apply too much heat, or you could end up causing a few more problems than you'd like to cause. Here we are with the actual power into it. Now we've redone the firmware as well. Won't be stopping on this little antenna. I've got it designed and built into a box basically, but that's us up and running now with the little mod done for the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Hopefully that helps a few other people, interests a few other people. Hope it's some use to you. 7-3 for now.